So in true Acklam fashion, we've got a very unique and special Ford Ranger arriving with us today. So it's a Ford Ranger Wildtrak, 24, done delivery miles somewhere in the region of 500 miles. Finished in frozen white, but it's been fully bespoke from front to back and even on the roof. So you've got pod lights on the roof, illuminated animated LED grille, bull bar to the bottom, then you've got gloss black accents that the original owner has put all the way throughout. So starting on the front grille, extended wheel arches. You've then got bespoke 20-inch multi-spoke, I would call them satin black alloys. They're a little bit different to a gloss or a matte, but a really nice finish. All-terrain tyres, obviously it's a 2-litre diesel bi-turbo, gloss black roof rails and even on the rear. Huge selling point for me on the Ford Rangers is yes, they are down as being a commercial, but you can easily drive one of these as a vehicle, no problem. VAT qualifying, so there's financial benefits to putting through your company, but then you can drive it as a family car, personal car, whatever it is, and still have all the benefits. Good things that are ordered originally on these, so again, just to mention, gloss black accents, matte tie nicely with the badges. So the rear has already been bedlined and it comes with a heavy duty tow bar. Tow bar hasn't even been fitted yet, that's how new this pickup is. So absolutely brand new rear, no signs of scratches, damage, anything. It's a 24 plate done, like I said, 500 miles. Privacy glass on the back just ties in lovely with the white and gloss black exterior pack they've got. On the interior, again, as brand new as the exterior, so you've got leather seats which are heated, and I'll show you how you control them. They're electrically adjustable, and they obviously come with the Wildtrak stitching and embossed on the rear. Good height on the Wildtrak, so perfect for motorway journeys, but obviously you've got enough ground clearance as well to take it off-road, building sites, whatever it might be. Automatic gearbox, huge tablet screen, which to me just draws your attention straight to it, so everything is controlled from here. So heated seats, heated steering wheel. Again, you don't see that on some premium cars, prestige cars, you don't see that, but this huge tablet screen. You've then got Apple CarPlay if it wants to come on, or if you don't want to use the standard navigation. It has an element of a tech pack on it, so it has the aerial view and rear view camera, and then you've got some different options on the cameras as well. All your climate control is controlled from down there, but not forgetting this is a commercial, so you've got several glove boxes if you need them, one for paperwork, one for personal items if you wanted to. Digital display. This one has adaptive cruise as well as your auto lights and the pod lights, but it's just an unbelievably good looking truck with the financial benefits of a commercial, but you would happily drive this Monday to Friday, no problem whatsoever. Even on a weekend, it's perfect because then you've got the boot space in the back for cycles, camping equipment, caravanning, whatever you're doing, or even building materials. If you really wanted to take this to work, that is what it's built for. So if you are looking for a very head-turning truck, please contact myself, give me a call, and I look forward to speaking to you.